Husqvarna manufacturing belongs to significant manufacturers of robotic lawnmowers. This is thanks to a strategic decision that was made within the Husqvarna group to utilize many years of Husqvarna experience as a leader of this segment in robotic lawnmowers. The advantage of this type of lawnmower is that thanks to mulching support technology and an electric propulsion system, the lawnmowers are in concordance with the idea of sustainability, flexibility, easy handling and minimal need for maintenance. Our company performs both in-warranty and post-warranty GARDENA product repairs, including winter maintenance of robotic lawnmowers for the Central European region, such as the Czech Republic, Slovakia and Poland. The assembly of robotic lawnmowers is supported by the fact that our company has a long-standing tradition of processing plastics as well as the construction, assembly, repairs and maintenance of injection molds. Our company operates more than 80 injection molding machines with clamping force from 50 to 1500 tons. We are also equipped with 2K and 3K component press technologies for injection parts. The presses are equipped with 3-axis or with multi-axis robots. The workshops of injection molding machines are centrally prepared and automatic distribution of materials for the injection molding machines as well as closed circuit of water cooling is available. We also assemble a wide range of other GARDENA products as well as components for other clients, for instance in the automotive industry. Our tool shop with its own tool construction department produces new molds and also provides maintenance, modifications and repairs of molds of up to the weight of 16 tons. The tool shop is well equipped and contains among other things machines for electric discharge machining, 5-axis milling machines, 2 machining centers for the high-speed machining, spotting presses and others. Our quality control department ensures a high standard of finished products and is also equipped with 3D measuring devices and a GOM optical scanner. We are also awarded by IATF 16949, ISO 14001 and ISO 9001 certificates. The Husqvarna Manufacturing Company has a long-standing tradition dating back to 1871. Your stable partner thanks you for your attention.